Hey everybody, it's Jeanette Sims at TradeThirsty. Today is Tuesday, May the 13th, and Ethereum is back in motion. Sucker surged about 40% last week, 1,800 to 2,500. And so the question is, what's going on? I personally have been in ETH since October 1st of 2018, in and out as a day trader, then finally took on a core position and have been adding a little here and there based on what happens in the big picture with that particular crypto. This whole thing called the Petra upgrade. It's supposedly Ethereum's biggest overhaul since the merge back in 2022. That thing went live on May 7th, and it's a major infrastructure change, right? And so I don't usually listen to analysts, but when the analysts are talking and then one of my top trading experts confirms what the analysts are saying, I start listening. Analysts are saying 10,000. That's like target long-term for ETH. So I'm like, hell yeah, retire. So I'm also in a long-term Bitcoin position. So you got the Fed announcing that they're holding interest rates steady. You've got 100% reignition of buyers back on the scene, and crypto is catching that tailwind hard. So let's go look at the chart. Okay, so big picture macro, right, which is what you're seeing here on the screen, is Ethereum long-term still in the red, tells me I'm not going to take on a big new core position. I'm not going to add to my big new core position. But as a day trader, if I wanted to day trade this thing, I'm looking at the Steady Traders trender indicator, and it gives me intraday buy signals. So there was a buy signal back here. You saw this run up. There was a sell here, came back down. It's a huge support line right here. You can see across the board going all the way back, right? Shows resistance here, then becomes support, resistance becomes support, support becomes resistance. If you don't understand what that means, you need to get a little education. And so right here, if we're just looking at a day trading perspective, this trigger came in earlier, let's call it 24.73 price. Right now I've got ETH trading at 26.15. That's a hell of a day for those of you who want to day trade something like this. I personally, like I said, not day trading ETH, more looking at day trading markets like the NASDAQ, the Dow, long-term positions in GLD and SLV. And so that's what's going on in ETH right now. I'll let you know what I'm going to add to my big picture position. Right now, it's sort of a sit and wait for me just a little bit longer. But with Bitcoin surging, ETH riding shotgun, bottom line is ETH is positioning for a massive breakout right now. So it's on my radar again. I'll let you know when I'm going to make the decision to get back in. If you're on the sidelines, this might be your cue to put it on your watch list. Tech stronger, fundamentals are there, the money is starting to flow. This is your window to get educated if you're not. And that's what the market is giving to us right now. I'll keep you updated and make sure that you have all the information you need for the next one. And speaking of the next one, I am running a little challenge over here. So I was born in the futures market. 2001 was when I started trading S&P futures. And so I was born and raised in the futures. I've got a great friend who is an options trader, and she wants to learn futures. So I brought her in house. We're going to start spending some time together. I'm going to document what she does. Her name is Anna. Here she is. My buddy Anna. And so we're going to take her on a little futures challenge. And like I said, I'm going to document it and I'll let you guys know how it's going, let you know the strategy that we're using and what's happening with her progress. In the meantime, I'm going to redirect to a live training that we're hosting this week here at TradeThirsty with my great friend Jeff Tompkins. He's going to be talking about trading options as well. So Anna, I might need to go watch that video. So wait for just a second. The whole video is going to redirect for you and you'll be able to register for that webinar. So I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you on the next one.